Hello everyone, and thanks for tuning in. Today, I'm going to show you how to disable the Gapless Playback feature in the Spotify mobile app. If you want to control how your music transitions from one track to another, this quick tutorial will help you adjust your settings easily. First, open the Spotify app on your mobile device. Next, tap on your profile icon located at the top left corner of the screen. Then scroll down and select Settings and Privacy. After that, find and tap on the Playback option. Now, scroll down until you find Gapless Playback. Finally, toggle the switch to turn off the Gapless Playback feature. That's all there is to it. Disabling Gapless Playback can change the way your songs play back to back. If this video helped you, please like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.